Hey DIYers, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making egg shrines, or egg dioramas, whatever you want to call them. And we're using the big plastic Easter eggs that you can find almost anywhere now, but I'm going to leave a link for those in the description, just in case you don't run across them. Now we're putting everything together with my Surebonder glue gun, and this is a really fun project for the whole family to make, plus they look really cool. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to pop in and say Happy Easter. Are you ready? Let's make some egg shrines.
Irwin and Donald Weider had a stroke of genius when they came up with the idea for the hinged plastic Easter egg. Patented in 1978, the simple yet effective concept changed forever the post-holiday cleanup process. The egg is seen by followers of Christianity as a symbol of resurrection. While being dormant, it contains new life sealed within it. Here's an interesting fact. The jelly bean became associated with Easter in the 1930s, although the jelly bean's origins reportedly date all the way back to a biblical-era concoction called a Turkish delight. Today, Belgium is one of the few places in the world known for its fine lace. The diorama was invented by Louis Daguerre and Charles-Marie Bouton and was first exhibited in July 1822 in Paris at Regent's Park.
I'm going to leave a link to Surebonder and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.